Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Pad. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning enter Google Pay and then tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on Loyalty, Gift Card and Public Transport. Enter Loyalty and select Shop, for example IKEA, UK. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID. Then tap Save. And it's done. Now let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card, because you have to select shop and enter your details. Then tap save. Last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, select it, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.